You up?
That looks bad, man. Mashallah, man.
Look how clean this car is, man. I love Japanese, man. I love Japanese people, man. My boy's Japanese. Crank it up. Parents will never be forgotten, innit, bro? 1 JZ, 2 JZ. I'm only smiling because it's a inline six. Guys, right, welcome back. Okay, let me just get this all connected to 1 JZ. If you remember the show to Crown, the pair of friends that turned up, start the video. Majestic? What is it?
This is a Crown.
A Crown. See these dudes here from Leicester, they are big Japanese fans, but you know, they're like Toyotas, 1 JZ, 2 JZ, RB guy right here, but I have to represent it, man, guys. Guys, check out this video. It's all about the what?
The Crown.
The Crown and the Majesta. Japanese got weird words in it. Majesta and Crown. I used to go to, you know, when I used to go back and buy them, you see the taxi drivers in these. I didn't know they had a 1 JZ in them and a V8. Crazy. Right, guys, you can sell. They're here. Beautiful, two beautiful cars. They're imported recently in August. Right, mentally clean. That's got a 1 JZ in there, and that's got the V8 engine in there. Is that right? Supercharged. Man, I need to get my Japanese history like done on point. That's supercharged. That looks like a damn S-Class, a rip-off version of an F-Class. But we've already that guy. You know this guy in the back? Perez. Brother Perez. Perez. Anyway, going back to supercharged. How does that work? So what they called? What they called?
Toms, like
Toms.
Yeah, Toms. You know Toms?
Yeah, Toms. Yeah.
They put supercharged on the TZ.
They put on a family sedan.
Yeah.
What power is that? I bet you're gonna be smoking some people in that, ain't it, bro? And that is 300 as well. Like a JDM 280 can't go up, yeah, bollocks, nonsense, kind of take off, like actuator pressure, 300, 400 horsepower kind of job, innit? See, guys, oh, I still got Japanese heritage in me. Like, look, I just check out the cars, look, rims. Nobody messes with the boys, the Japs, with rims. Am I saying that? I'm not being prejudiced by saying Japs, you know? I got a friend of mine called Ito, hello, if you're watching my video, and he gets pissed about stuff like that. He's very Japanese. Have I said that wrong as well? Shit. Bro, I don't even know, bro. I'm gonna get sued, innit? I don't know, just Yakuza?
Yakuza.
Yeah, Yakuza, yeah? I know you come killing me in that one, yeah? But anyway, guys, look, rims are sick, innit? Look, let's check out this car, man. He gassed me up, this guy, to come and do that, the video on this, but it's mad. Ghost! Right, Ghost. Sick. Look, I don't know about these rims as much, but he's a fast car. But them, they look, it's like a Lotus Carlton. You know guys like Lotus Carlton? We got a Lotus Carlton in the family, by the way. You'll see it soon. But yeah, they look like Lotus Carlton wheels. You know Lotus Carlton, innit? What is you Japanese guys? Do you guys like send Japanese people all around the world and sort of get the ideas? Am I saying something wrong again? Can you like delete my face out? Yeah, or not my voice and say it's got edited. I blame him or one of them pair. He's got a bigger beard than me. He'll probably get done faster than me. Check him out. Now he's got a bigger beard than me, man. He's going down before me. Trust me. Right, trust me. Right, guys, it's a beautiful cars. You check them out. We're taking off the boxes on both of them. You can see both sides. The 1 JZ has got the single exit, taking that off. This supercharged one, taking off. The guys are just gonna whack up some nice tips. Back box deletes. Check out in the video what they sound like, guys. You know me, just take the P. Live, come on, subscribe. You need to subscribe, guys. Bare content going on for you. The R's is in the back as well. TT's over there. Right, guys, end of the video. Let's see what they sound like. Right, we've got the Crown back in with the 1 JZ, straight 6. Are they twin? They're twin turbos, aren't they? It's all right, okay. Sorry, my knowledge of 1 JZ is not familiar. RB guy, innit? Well, mind you, RB do the single turbo as well. But anyway, right, guys, moving on. If you look in the background, she's there parked up. We've gone for a 3-inch exhaust system for the car. Kenny, if you go grab that, we'll show you the middle section already designed. Now, we want to give it a cool JDM look. Important, you know, the way it looks, it's important. So what we're doing is, if we can grab, so that's the 3-inch middle section that Praz has already designed. Beautiful design in mandrel bends, as you could tell. We've got a 7-inch Japs box that we've just designed for it. We're contemplating, well, first of all, this is what this kind of look is going to have, right? A full-on angle look. Obviously, we're going to be modifying the tips in order for it to suit, but we're more so concerned about ground clearance. Now, to give a pure JDM look, especially with these bad boys, the cambers and what they normally the way they look at, you know, look back in Japan, it's absolutely crazy stance and everything else. The gentleman knows his car, he's not going to really lower it as much, but I still have a concern. So we're trying to keep the OE kind of look there. That's why we're trying to go for more detailed style, kind of silencer on the background, on the back of the car. But ground clearance is a bit of an issue, because if you look at the 7-inch silencer, right, if this car hits another 3 inches like that, we're going to have an issue with the rear box. But to get that angle, to get that stance, to get that look, that JDM look, we're just contemplating right now which direction to kind of go. I mean, we could give it the typical kind of look, which is more like this, and send the box further up. There's a possibility, so we could probably even go like this. So we got preferably good ground clearance there. On the rear arms, it sort of compensates, but and then it gives you good detail to the box from that side as well, if you look. So we're going to go for that kind of look. But then the little tip sort of disappears. But if you look at the car from the angle from that side, which you are, because you'll have a lot of detail, we'll probably get away with it. But I don't know, I think we need to be a bit more adventurous. He is, but he's looking at me thinking, Maj, make the right decision for me. Look at him, look at him. Yeah, yeah. I know, it's always left with me, isn't it? Yeah, right. And I knew it. See, there you are, man. Do that tilt. So if you look at it from that angle there, guys. So look, this is the reason we're custom in it. DKU Performance, real custom. We make boxes to suit stances of cars. We don't just off the shelf box, stick it on, stick some horrible weld on, and no. Let's get it right. It's a beautiful car. It's a classic. We need it to sound good, look good, have a good stance. You know, in contrast with the amazing rims that it's got on the car. So. You know what, I'm going to tell you no more. Watch the end of the video. You hear it, you can see it, get out of here. But make sure you like, share and subscribe, guys. See you at the end of the video. What's it called again?
Crown Athlete.
Crown Athlete. That doesn't look like an athlete to me, mate. By far an athlete. All right, guys, it's Maj again. Right, as per promised, right, you're gonna listen to this Crown. Toyota Crown, isn't it? Athlete 1JZ. Let's just call it the 1J, Toyota 1JZ, yeah? It's easier. Right, I know I'm a massive JDM guy, but I think I used to look past them because I think taxi drivers used to drive them. No offense to taxi drivers, because my dad's a taxi cabbie, so that's fine. No offense. Right, okay, guys, look, I mean, come on, instantly, give me your comments. What do you reckon? What do you think? Look, a work of art. Look at, I mean, come on, full custom. So we're talking about DKU, 3-inch custom. He loves it. His hair's all over the place, though. Yeah, he loves it. Do you love it, dude?
Sick.
See what I mean? Enthusiasts. They love it, mate. They know the right place to come. So we've come off, as you can see, from the midsection back. He didn't want this done. Maybe he's gonna come in the future if he has a decat done anyway, guys. So we've started from this point. There was a box over here, we got rid of it. Standard jacking point so you can put back It's OE system, 3-inch all the way through, fully polished. Angle silencer, 7-inch with a, we've got a 4-inch, yeah, a 4-inch tip, all custom, polished. The length was designed accordingly for the angle. Guys, what do you think? Drop us a comment. Guys, like, share and subscribe. You hear the B start, the 1JZ start right now. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see you on the next video. Maj, DK, over and out. Takes it out of me when I'm gassed. Right, done. Sounds sick. We're done. See you later.